So guys, for the first step, once you're on Steam, you're going to click on Steam in the top left, and now you're going to click on Settings. And then once you're in the Steam settings, you're going to click on the Cloud tab, and then once you're here, make sure you have Enable Steam Cloud actually turned on. Make sure it's actually turned on. And now for the second step, you're going to find the game that you're having a problem with, you're going to right click on it, and then click on Properties. Make sure you have Keep Game Saves in the Steam Cloud turned on as well. And now you're going to go to Installed Files, and then click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. Wait for this to load. And now for the next step, you're going to click on Steam in the top left again, and then click on Settings. And then once you're on this, you're going to go to Storage. You can repeat this for all the drives that you have. So for me, it's going to be my C drive first. I'm going to click on the three dots right here, and then click on Repair Library. And then click on Yes. And it's now going to repair your library. You can repeat this for all your drives. And then once you repair all your libraries, you just want to fully close out of Steam. Now to do that, in the bottom right of your taskbar, you're going to click on the arrow. Then you're going to find Steam, you're going to right click on it, and then click on Exit Steam. And then once you fully close out of Steam, you just want to open it again. And then this should now fix your problem. If that's still not working for the second method, you just want to right click on your game, and then click on Manage, and then click on Uninstall. Then you want to uninstall your game. Then you just want to install it again. That should then work for you.